Is adulthood as exhausting as it looks? Yes, sometimes it is. You pay bills, you fake smiles, you carry weights no one sees, you wake up tired, you go to sleep worried, you wonder, is this it? Just survival? But then something small shifts. You fix something without asking for help. You make your own money, you cook your favorite meal just the way you like it. You stand up for yourself and it feels right. You make a hard choice and survive it. Adulthood is hard, yes, but it's also where your freedom lives, where you call the shots, where your voice finally matters. You discover peace in quiet evenings, laughter in people who truly see you, joy in building something that's yours. You stop needing everyone's approval. You find confidence in your own way. You realize you can handle more than you thought. You fall down, but now you know how to get back up. You lose people, but find deeper love in the ones who stay. You doubt yourself, but keep going anyway. And suddenly, you notice the life you've created. Not perfect, but real. Not easy, but yours. And for the first time, you feel proud. Not because it's been smooth, but because you made it through. And you're still here, stronger, wiser, and more yourself than ever.